So the first thing we're going to want to do is actually push this up to a GitHub repo. So come over to your GitHub. We're going to go GitHub and create a new repository right here. And what do we call this? We'll say Stripe Next.js. All right, and then you can add a description if you want. We're going to keep this public because there'll be nothing in here. You can add a license or whatever you want. We don't need any of that. All right, and then I don't know if you haven't created a repo before, this will give you the instructions in order to do that. So the first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to come over and we'll say git init to initialize a new repository here. And it'll say initialize an empty Git repository. We're going to add all our files. We'll commit, and then we'll go through all these different steps. So the first thing we'll say git add dot, which will add all the different files. We'll say git commit dash am, and we'll say born like this. And this, you can see all your files have been added like this. Then you want to come over. These days we're going main as the branch right here. So copy that over, paste it in. It'll create a main branch for you, and then this will be the link. So we're going to remotely add this origin with this link here. Paste that in, git remote add origin. Basically go through one by one, and then finally we're going to push up to this main branch like so. So come in here, push that up. And you can see that was successful. And then if you come over back to your GitHub, now we see all the files have been pushed 42 seconds ago. So that is looking pretty good. So now the next thing we want to do is come on over to Vercel.com, and you want to either sign up or log in. So we sign up. You're probably going to want to connect it to your GitHub here because that's how we're going to use this. So that'll be the easiest way for you to do this. We'll authorize Vercel here. All right, so once you're signed up, it's going to take you over here to import a Git repo. Now, you might have to set permissions, but you'll do that right here by just adjusting your GitHub app permissions. So click on that if you need to do that. Otherwise, if your permissions are open, that will be fine. So we're going to import this Stripe Next.js and configure project. That seems all fine. That is good. And we'll just say deploy like this. All right, so you can see that is done deploying. So super quick and easy, straight from GitHub, no issues there. And then you can see the little preview of the app right here. We can click on it, and it'll take you to the actual URL up here, which is stripe next, whatever, fi.vercel.app. Again, if you're going to actually run this, you might want to add a URL, but we won't be doing that in this. And then you can see our very nice website right now.